It's crazy. We're talking and not even live yet. But guess what? We live now. Shalom, shalom, everybody. Everybody who listening. Everybody who gonna watch it later. I'm your brother, Daliyahu, and we gather here today to look at some charts. And it's so important to stay on top of what's going on in the financial world. And we all can get distracted, but finances are important. And I think it's better to do this together, empower each other to stay committed, stay consistent to financial gain. So, with that said, I'm going to share my screen and we can share the screen, then we can go over some charts. We can have just one night. We can have every night. Supercharged. Forex. Euro USD is going down. Down in the DM. Yeah, so it's a big chart, very popular chart. And these things we gotta be watching. If we would have been watching this together since October, we would have all been riding this wave up in this bull market it's been experiencing all the way up until 2 weeks ago, 20 days ago. It was good. Took a little sell off, now it's back again, same spot. So the key is what's gonna happen next. So it's good to zoom in. Actually, let's zoom out first, take a broader perspective. So we got a better concept of what's going on. So we see been a lot of sideways action in this chart for a while now. Just created a zone right here, just so we can see like the previous high from the last couple months. Since we look at the monthly chart, each candle represents a month's worth of information. And this previous high we just made a zone around, it goes all the way back to 2021. So 3 years later, it tumbled, and now it's gaining back traction, which is very interesting because it's a very big pair, USD, Euro USD, and it represents a lot of people, a lot of what's going on. So let's just continue making some charts, making some zones, really highlighting the extremes of price and how far extremely high it's been, pretty much where it fell from, and how low it's been, where it bounced from. And then we could see it's pretty much in the middle right now. It's back in the middle. So not really telling us nothing. It's telling us we're not really overbought. We're not oversold. We just right in the middle, right where we need to be. So from this point, now we can go into a more refined view, check out the weekly, and see what we get. And ideally, the 4-hour chart is what you want to be trading on when you're trading Forex. So again, since all this time last year, it's been on a good run from parity with the US dollar all the way to 112. And it's a big move. It's a big move. Could have definitely made money. So since the summertime, it's been going down. Now it's coming up, getting choppy. So we definitely want to pay attention to this. This range is in right now. Let's see if we can put a shape on it. We want to look for a breakout because it's in a maybe like a, how can I say, like undecided area. Yeah, got a shape somewhere. Triangle, rectangle. I want to put a circle on here. But anyway, this area right here is important to highlight because You know, it could break up and go back and retest these highs up here, which can be a nice gain, or it can break down and come back down here, retest these lows. Maybe the bottom will fall out. So all these things are the things for us to pay attention to. So much going on, but that's the good thing about Forex. When you pay attention to this stuff and you get it right with the direction, then you can make money. So nobody's stopping you. But just looking at this volume on this chart right here, this boom right here, it looked like more of a consolidation pattern. Like this, the trend up wants to continue. Should leave that right there somewhere. And put a little horizontal line just to outline this little box we're speaking on right here. Now that the wick that closes, and we see this consolidation. You know, this was these three candles were, you know, a big leap up. I'm not joined already. Can I opt out? Really, trading view. Signed in already. Come on. All right, hold on. Let me stop sharing. Check it out. Y'all look at me. Look at me now. Okay, let me go back to sharing the screen. Hey, hello, family. Hello. I'm zoomed in on some charts right now. Share screen again. Let's go back to the chart. So, again, this three candles was some heavy up pressure from 107 to like 1019. It's a lot of pips right there. And now, you know, more of a sideways, up, down, up. We're looking for a breakout. Maybe it tested this already, coming back on some strength. And everybody see what happened. But so what we want to do is, while we're looking at this, make a prediction. You know, we want to make a prediction, start giving some predictions right now. It's some weakness. It's some weakness. But we see the line, the imaginary line in the sand, which is relative support. You want to check it out and see what's really good. See what's really good. So right now, maybe turning around. This is right. What time is it right now? I think right now we're in the midst of the current session. So looking forward to seeing how it turns out. Me personally, what would I say if I was a betting man? Would I bet only go up or down? I bet it's gonna go up. So this is the one pair we're gonna look at. It's, man, we could be here for 10 hours looking at more pairs, et cetera, et cetera. But let's say we bet it's gonna go up. We have our lines drawn, and tomorrow when we come back, we can just go from here and see and start watching this pair and see how is it gonna react, and if our thesis is right or wrong. If we continue to be correct for like a week or so, we place a bet. We start place a trade. So that's the goal of investing in Yahuwah, doing it as a community, empowering each other, and yeah, I think it's a good idea. So with that said, I'm gonna leave this analysis right there because we got some lines in the chart. When we come back to it, it's gonna bring it right back to where we came from. But since we are looking at some plays, gotta go to one of my favorites so far. Biggest trade of the year this year. It just is up over 200%, 300%, almost a triple. Wow, it's continuing to run. I should have knew it. I should have not even sold a little bit that I did. But this stock is Clean Spark, Bitcoin mining company, and just as the price of Bitcoin goes, so does the stock go. I mean, at one point in time, it wasn't really reacting to the price of Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin went up, it wasn't going up. But right now, it's looking like it may be set to run for a while because it has been very depressed. And as I look at this, I think we need to put some options on this. We would be well served to get some options. Just look, if I just draw the same type of lines we just drew on this Forex chart, and just red, I don't like the color, but I ain't gonna change the color, forget it. Just draw the circle because this was the base, the low, very small zone, but definitely a buying zone. Price went down there, turned around, and similarly up here, this is a long way from where we are now. Price another triple, 3 times as high. Maybe just make a wider zone. Yeah, from 25 to 42 is hyperbolic a little bit, but the point is that even at $11.30, it is still running and still has a way to go. Maybe another double before it really get into sell territory. So right now the stock is looking good, and price of Bitcoin is looking good. So yeah, let's keep our eye on this. We put some lines on the chart. This is just a random stock, not a random stock, a penny stock that I have been watching. So wanted to introduce it to the community, and hopefully somebody can profit off of this. So that is what's going on. The whole thing is, as we continue to go live, we can review each other's picks, portfolio, whatever you guys are trading that you find relevant. You want to get some analysis on it. Yeah, that's what we should start doing, so that we can again empower each other and profit together. So that's it, family. I don't want to take too much time. I want to make it short and sweet. Let me go back to my recording. Family, hey, welcome back. I'm still here. All praise to Yahuwah. And yeah, we're still streaming. So recap, we looked at 2 different options or 2 securities today. 1 Forex, 1 stock. We looked at the Euro USD pair and put some lines on the chart. Did a little analysis, and now we just looked at the Clean Spark stock, which is a Bitcoin mining company. So that's some perspective, some financial empowerment. We want to continue to keep our eye on this stuff. So prayerfully, every day we can continue to go live, do analysis, predictions, and get feedback, give a summary, something simple like that. So it's your host, your brother, your friend, Daliyahu Yasharal, signing out. And thank you guys for joining us on Invest in Yahuwah. Yahuwah willing, we will see you guys again soon. Hallelujah. Peace. Amen.